WordPress is one of the most popular website building systems because it does not necessitate considerable technical knowledge. Even so, if you want to create a WordPress site for your company or start a personal WordPress blog, you should think about which WordPress hosting provider is best for you. Fast speeds, one-click WordPress installation, free SSL certificates, uptime reliability, and site security are all features that the top WordPress hosting companies should provide. However, with so many WordPress hosting available, the options might be bewildering. We researched the most popular services to help you locate the finest WordPress hosting companies. Each organization was evaluated based on a number of variables, including features, pricing, security, speed, and customer ratings. Bluehost is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking for a low-cost web hosting provider with simple user interface. Casual users, professional business people, and everyone in between have options with the WordPress hosting provider. Bluehost's new website builder with WordPress integration for flexible content management is one of the reasons it's one of the top WordPress hosting packages. Everything you need to get your WordPress site up and running is included with Bluehost, including the host has a typical cPanel dashboard that is simple to navigate. It does, however, provide a one-click WordPress installation, which is handled by Mojo Marketplace. Though Mojo Marketplace is not without its flaws, it does allow for simple WordPress installations, and the support staff is available via live chat and phone calls at any time for any reason. Beyond WordPress hosting, Bluehost offers a variety of web hosting choices, including Bluehost, on the other hand, does not offer cloud hosting, which allows you to store website data across numerous servers to avoid downtime if one goes down. Bluehost, on the other hand, has a high uptime, making it one of the finest WordPress hosting companies. Bluehost is also one of the most affordable WordPress hosting providers, with a basic WordPress hosting plan starting at $2.95 that includes one website, one free domain name, and 50 gigabytes of space with unmetered bandwidth. It does not, however, offer monthly web hosting. Users can instead join up for 1, 2, or 3-year contracts. The Bluehost Plus package, which includes an anti-spam tool and unlimited websites, emails, and storage, is available for $6.95 for a 1-year contract. The Choice Plus package, which costs $6.95 per month for a 12-month contract, is another Bluehost alternative. You receive everything in the Plus package plus domain privacy and free automated backup for the duration of your contract with this choice. WordPress particularly suggests SiteGround as one of the web hosting services to utilize. Its platform offers a number of unique features, including WordPress optimized servers and low-cost WordPress hosting for sites of all sizes and types. Straightforward to use tools are also available from the web hosting provider, making it simple to set up your WordPress website on the platform. Other noteworthy SiteGround features for WordPress web hosting include: SiteGround offers a variety of WordPress hosting plans with a tiered price structure. You may need to select a higher tier web hosting service depending on the features you require.